Ever feel that sudden wave of panic during tax season when you're tearing the house apart looking for that one specific bank statement? Well, today we're going to eliminate that stress completely. Welcome to This Explainer, where we are going to dive into exactly how to download and actually use your Charles Schwab online bank statements. Schwab is famous for its online banking tools, and accessing your finances digitally isn't just about ditching paper. It's absolutely crucial for budgeting, understanding your spending habits, and locking down your financial security. Because let's be real, the headache of paper clutter is a nightmare. If you're currently asking yourself where you put last month's physical statement, you're already behind. Making the jump to digital statements gives you the ultimate convenience. It puts your entire financial history literally at your fingertips, safely protected behind some seriously modern encryption. So here is our roadmap for today. We're going to look at why you should go digital, logging in and navigating, downloading your statements, converting and organizing all that data, troubleshooting common issues, and finally, mastering your financial records.
Section 1. Why go digital? The benefits of Schwab's online portal. All right, accessing your statements online is a total game changer. Schwab has built this fantastic digital ecosystem that actively rewards you for staying organized. And the crucial number here? 10. Schwab securely archives up to 10 years of your official bank statements online. Just to put that into perspective, that safely exceeds the standard federal requirements for broker-dealers, which usually only ask for 6 years. Imagine having a full decade of your financial life perfectly organized and instantly accessible. No dusty filing cabinets required.
And going digital is about so much more than just saving a few trees. It's about keeping your data locked down tight and ready for tax season. Digital records mean you never lose paperwork when it matters most. Your sensitive data stays encrypted behind Schwab's login instead of sitting vulnerable out in your physical mailbox. Plus, it seamlessly connects you to those vital tax documents, like your 1099 and I&T forms, all in one easy-to-use dashboard.
Moving right along to Section 2, logging in and navigating, finding your way around the platform.
So let's walk through the actual process of getting into the system. You'll start by visiting Schwab.com on your desktop or just opening up the Schwab mobile app. If you're on your smartphone, you can use biometric facial recognition or fingerprint matching for a really secure instant login. Once you're successfully authenticated and looking at your dashboard, your very first move is to locate your main Accounts tab on the desktop, or just tap your Profile tab if you're on mobile. Now, you'll want to pay close attention here because this is a really common roadblock. Make absolutely sure you're clicking on your Schwab Bank checking or savings account and not your Schwab One brokerage or IRA account. Why? Well, Schwab hosts both your everyday banking and your investments under the exact same login, but their statement formats and data layouts are completely different. We're focusing on bank statements today, so you've got to make sure you're looking at the right ledger. Okay, Section 3. Downloading your statements, retrieving your official PDFs. Let's dive into exactly how you pull those digital documents straight to your device. If you're on a desktop computer, it's incredibly straightforward. Just navigate to the Statements and Tax Forms menu under your account. From there, select your specific bank account from the dropdown, apply the date filters for the exact month or year you're looking for, and hit that PDF download icon next to the statement. Just like that, Schwab generates your official document ready to be saved. But what if you're out and about? On the mobile app, you simply tap your profile icon, find the Statements option, and filter exactly like you would on a desktop. When you tap the document you want, it'll open up a handy PDF preview right in the app. From there, just use your phone's native export button, like the iOS share sheet, to save the file locally. You'll even get a quick secure sandbox warning, letting you know the file is leaving Schwab's encrypted app environment, which is honestly a fantastic built-in security feature. Section 4. Converting and organizing data. Taking your data further. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Since Schwab only provides official bank statements as PDFs, you might hit a bit of a wall if you want to analyze your spending in something like Excel or QuickBooks. PDFs are perfect for official record keeping, sure, but they're pretty terrible if you want to crunch numbers in a spreadsheet. That is exactly where external parser tools like CopyParse or DocuClipper step in. They automatically read those Schwab PDFs and output beautifully structured data. By safely passing your downloaded PDF through one of these dedicated conversion tools, you completely unlock your transaction data. You just upload the PDF, let the software parse Schwab's standard month, day, year formats, and boom, you export a clean spreadsheet. Then, you can seamlessly feed that data right into your favorite budgeting software or send it off to your CPA. It literally eliminates manual data entry, which is going to save you hours of absolute frustration. Section 5. Troubleshooting common issues. Overcoming roadblocks. Look, even the best digital systems have occasional hiccups. First off, if you're on mobile and your transaction views suddenly cuts off at the 2-year mark, don't panic. The direct transaction feed is intentionally limited just to keep the app running fast. Just navigate back to that Statements tab we talked about, and your full 10-year archive is right there waiting for you. If you happen to forget your password, simply hit the Security Center link on the login page. And if you run into a 2-step authentication lockout, say you're traveling internationally, you can always call Schwab's risk-based authentication intervention line at 888-999-4512. The biggest takeaway here? You are never truly stuck. Schwab's main customer service line at 800-435-4000 is always standing by to help you log back in. They have incredibly robust support systems, so if the tech glitches or you just can't track down a specific tax form, a real human being is available to help secure your access and find what you need.
Section 6. Mastering your financial records. Conclusion and action.
Let's synthesize all of this digital organization into some long-term financial success. Downloading a PDF is a great habit, but what you actually do with that data is what moves the needle. By regularly analyzing your statements, you empower yourself to set highly effective, smart financial goals that's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Having your actual historical numbers right in front of you takes the guesswork completely out of your finances. You simply can't manage what you don't measure. And organizing all this data empowers you to have much better, more informed conversations. Now, please remember, the information provided in this explainer is for general informational purposes only and absolutely should not be considered personalized financial advice. We highly encourage you to consult with a licensed financial advisor for guidance tailored to your specific situation. Bringing them well-organized digital statements is honestly the absolute best way to start that conversation. So go log in, grab those statements, and start taking absolute control of your financial future today. It's a remarkably simple habit that yields massive peace of mind. I'm going to leave you with this final thought to ponder. What is the very first financial goal you're going to track with your newly organized digital statements? Think about it, write it down, and let's get to work.